It may not seem like it, given the damage it has caused, but the timeline on plastic is actually pretty short. We didn't even use the word plastic until 1925, but in the 50s, global plastic production took off, and the idea of single-use plastics was born. Fast forward to today, we now create over 300 million tons of plastic waste every year, and plastic production is expected to double in the next 20 years. The timeline is escalating at an alarming rate. Our love affair with plastic has caused it to be pretty much everywhere. The problem is, it's also everywhere it's not supposed to be.
We've been taught to believe that the answer lies in the 3 R's, but this isn't enough. Only 9% of our plastic is actually recycled, 12% is incinerated, and 79% remains in our landfills and waterways.
The average plastic bag has a useful life of 12 minutes, but at the end of that life, it stays around for another 500 to 1,000 years, and we use 5 trillion plastic bags globally every year. These bags are commonly made of a thin plastic film called low-density polyethylene, or LDPE.
At Last20, we're upcycling this plastic waste into sustainable pavement. Traditional pavement is 90% aggregate held together with 10% bitumen, a low-grade crude oil. We're replacing a portion of the bitumen with LDPE. Plastic increases the overall durability and longevity of the pavement. It also makes it more elastic, resulting in less cracks and potholes, and more porous so that it absorbs sound vibrations, lowering noise pollution. Last20's role is bringing together strategic partners to execute on sustainable pavement projects. We've recently completed our very first batch trial testing of our plastic pavement solution with our strategic partners CTA Labs, King Paving, and Gedco to upcycle over 600 pounds of waste low-density polyethylene into sustainable pavement. Let's pave the way to a sustainable future together. To learn more, visit us at www.last20.ca and follow us on our social media handles at Last20 Pavement.